Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to share with you another solar outdoor lighting idea that I've made. I love this idea because you can literally make it anytime, any season, and you can change the flowers in there, maybe sunflowers in the fall. So if you want to see how I made this using all Dollar Tree items, just keep on watching. I'm going to start off with two of these baskets from Dollar Tree. It's the ones you can hang, and I'm going to go ahead and spray paint them gold. Of course, you can use any color you'd like. Now I'm going to go in with the splatter screen and the solar light. And you've seen me use this technique with my previous outdoor lighting. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a small circle from the mesh, the screen. We need it to hold to hold the solar light up. Since this, do you guys see the gap on the sides? I know Dollar Tree does have thicker solar light picks, but I haven't found those, so I just went ahead and picked that one up. But I'm just going to cut my circle, make sure that it fits properly, and then I'm going to cut a little triangle in the center and stick my solar light right through it. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on my upcoming projects. Now I'm going to add a little bit of glue around my solar light just for extra support. And now I'm going to take that and I'm going to use hot glue and glue it on top of the basket. I forgot to mention in the beginning of my video, and I don't have the footage for it. I think I just lost it. But I did place my two baskets in each other. They simply just kind of clip in each other. But if you do need glue, you can go ahead and use glue. But yeah, they sort of just kind of clipped in each other, if that makes sense. But now I'm going to go in with any flowers, any leaves that I have on hand, and using glue just to keep it in place. I'm going to just glue everything where I want it, and I'm going to go in with a little block of floral foam with some flowers, and that's going to be in the center of the basket. Of course, like I said, you can use any flowers. This is perfect for any season. So just get creative, take the idea and just make it your own. Now I'm just going to place those into the floral foam, and I'm going to hot glue that into the center of the bottom basket. And do you remember these chains? I left mine black, but feel free to spray paint those as well if you'd like. But we're going to take one of the chains. We'll leave the other one for a different project. But now I'm going to hook them. First, I hooked them onto the basket itself, and I didn't like the way it looked. And it was kind of wobbly, to be honest. So what I ended up doing is I took notice the basket has 3 hook areas where it was originally hanging. I'm going to go ahead and just clip one on each, and it hangs perfectly that way. And once we're done putting those on, it's ready to hang. We're done with our project here. I definitely love the way it turned out. Here's how it looks in the morning, and here's how it looks when it's a little darker. It's not super dark yet, but I wanted to share with you how gorgeous this looks, and you could definitely place any flowers in there. You can beach theme it if you'd like and add some seashells. But yeah, so definitely take the idea, make it your own. And here's how it looks when it's super dark. But yeah, so I definitely love the way this turned out, and you can make a few of them, hang them out in the backyard or front yard. It's definitely a new idea and I love it. But I want to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. Bye!